Guys, this is an emergency video. They've added a new indicator, so we're going to be back testing it. Without further ado, let's get straight to it. Hey traders, I hope you're all going extremely well. My name's David and welcome back to my channel where I go through profitable trading strategies. Today we're going to be looking at the Stonehill Forex blog, where we're going to be looking at their brand new indicator that's been added. We're going to be adding it to a trading strategy using the NNFX model. We will use ChatGPT to help us find the perfect setup, and we're going to be back testing it using Tradingview. So without further ado, let's get over to my screen. Let's have a look at the indicator and how we can apply it as a trading strategy. Don't forget also, I give away 1 million bong to a random comment down below in the comments. Comment your favorite indicator or something that you'd like me to backtest, and I will try to reply to all comments, and you may be in for winning a million bong. Right. But guys, before we go, if you do enjoy my videos, why not subscribe? I do videos about profitable trading strategies every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. And while you're there, if you don't mind giving the video a good old like if you're enjoying the content, it really helps us to expand the community. You can find all the links to my strategies down below in the description. Right, that's enough plugging. Let's get over to Tradingview. Right, here I am on Tradingview. The indicator that we're going to be talking today about is the smooth momentum. An indicator that I've never tested before and was added to the Stonehill Forex blog this week. And when you go scroll down and have a look at the backtesting results, they look pretty impressive. Very high win rates of 75 to 84 on the Euro USD. If you go down to BTC USDT and crypto, you can see they got it all the way up to a 91.67% win rate. It's on a very small amount of data. There was only 12 trades. We're going to be back testing on a full period all the way back as far as we can. As you can see on gold and all of that, the win rate seems to hold up and seems to be very, very good as well. This is a great blog. I suggest you go and have a look. Let's have a look and add this to Tradingview. Okay, to add the indicator, you go over to davidtech.com, go over to free indicators at the top here. You scroll down and you go to the confirmation area and you'll find the smooth momentum just there. You'll click on that, go over to Tradingview, scroll down a little bit. It is an open source script, add it to your favorites, and then we'll go back over to Tradingview. I've added it to my screen here. You just literally go to indicators at the top and type smooth momentum by David Tech, and as you can see, it is this one here. Give it a favorite and you'll be able to find it very easily in your favorites. Okay, so this is the smooth momentum, which I've converted across from the MT4 code that they've provided on the NNFX website. I've added a couple of changes. They're very, very simple. Things like this green background here. But let's go through the indicator. So the indicator, as you can see, is a zero cross indicator. So we're going to be using it for a confirmation indicator. Here on David Tech, we build trading strategies using the NNFX model. We use one indicator for trend direction, which we call the baseline, meaning that when price is above it, we are looking for longs, and when price is below it, we're looking for shorts. We then use confirmation indicators like the one we're looking at the moment, which is the smooth momentum. When it crosses over a value or crosses over another line, we can take an entry. We can have several confirmation indicators, and then we complement all of that with a volatility or a volume indicator, which helps us to confirm our entry as well. We then have a stop loss indicator, which is often the ATR, which allows us to set our stop loss and then allows us to add a R to R for a take profit. So the smooth momentum is a zero line indicator, zero line crossover. When price crosses the zero line, which is in gray here, we get a green background and the indicator goes green for us to take longs. When it goes below the zero line, we have a red background and the indicator goes red for us to take shorts. So pretty simple. As you can see on the chart here, we've gone green and this is an absolute perfect entry. Look at that absolute fantastic win. And then we have a short from here, which would be around this indicator here. Look at that as well, 8% difference. It looks absolutely brilliant, but as always, one indicator by itself will make lots of false signals like this one just here. and we're going to iron that out by using our NNFX plan. So my next step is to ask ChatGPT to come up with a plan using this indicator and any other ones that I've put into a humongous list from those indicators that were on our website, plus some other ones, and then randomly choose a coin pair for us to try and find some good settings on. So that's my fine-tuned module of ChatGPT to come up with a plan. So it's chosen the coin pair of AVEX USDT on the 1 hour time frame. We're going to be using the Fern Tail, which is a fantastic indicator for our baseline. I'm going to be adding that to the chart. We're going to be adding the zero lag MACD, which is one of ChatGPT's favorite indicators. We're going to be using the smooth momentum and the volume flow indicator, which is great because I use that quite often for confirming as our volume indicator. We're going to be using ATR as always for our take profit and stop loss. Right, let's add all of these indicators to the chart and then we'll code it into a strategy to backtest it. Right, okay, let's start adding the indicators. The first one we're going to be adding is the Fern Tail VMA by David Tech here. It's the same as the Bix odd here, so we're going to be using that. We're going to add that to our chart. So as you can see from our chart here, it adds a baseline, so it gives us our trend direction. It hugs price and it is an absolutely brilliant indicator for trend direction. When price is above the green line, we're looking for longs, and when price is below, we're looking for shorts. We're going to add now the zero lag MACD by David Tech just here. Zero lag MACD is one of the most profitable trading indicators from David Tech. So the zero lag MACD is very similar to the MACD. We just have this red line here called the zero lag. So we're going to be concentrating on the red line. When the red line crosses above the other two lines, which are the MACD and its signal line, we get a green background, which I hope you can see here on YouTube. And this confirms that we can take longs at this point. The final indicator that we're going to be adding is the volume flow by David Tech here, or we could use the lazy bear version just here. Now the volume flow is very, very simple as well. We just want to make sure we got enough volume in the market. We would like the green line to be above the orange line for longs, and we'd like it to be below the orange line for shorts. Okay, let's have a look at some example entries and I'll go through rules of our trading strategy. Okay, here is our first entry. As you can see here, we have the FVMA and price is above the FVMA. It is green. We have crossed over on the smooth momentum and it is also green. We have a green background for the MACD zero lag, but the volume flow is over the orange, confirming our entry. So if we go here, we can add our long position. We put it on the next candle and we're going to be setting our stop loss to the ATR bands. So we're going to add the ATR bands by David Tech just here, and we're going to set the upper and the lower bands to 2.5. Boom. Right, okay, we're going to set our stop loss to the ATR bands just like this. And then we're going to be setting our take profit to a 1 to 2 risk to reward. Just like that. And we would have won a 5.76% from the market. Absolutely brilliant. Look at that entry. Couldn't be better. Right, okay, let's have a look at a short. Okay, here is our short entry. Okay, so we have the FVMA in red, prices below it. We have the smooth momentum in red, just like so. The MACD zero lag is also in red background and the MACD is below. We have the volume flow with a green below orange. So here is our perfect entry for a short. We're going to set our short on the next candle. We're going to set our stop loss to the ATR bands just like this. And we're going to be looking for a risk to reward of 2. Boom. Okay, that would have been a perfect win of 6.65% from the market. Absolutely brilliant. Now, of course, guys, I am cherry picking these entries just to show you how they work. I'm going to go away and back test this as far as I possibly can. We're on AVAX USDT 1 hour time frame, just like ChatGPT suggested us to do. Let's go away and code this, optimize the trading strategy, and try and find some settings that might work. We'll then put it through a forward testing platform where it will trade in a live trading environment. We'll record all the results on our website so that we can connect to bots easily. Right, let's get to coding this. Let's have a look at the back testing results. Let's go.
Come on, David, and once again he's got to code a new strategy. He'll be back in just 5 minutes. Come on, David, show us what you got.
Guys, before we go over to the backtesting results, I'd love to show you my new website where you can see all of the backtesting results of all the trading strategies that I've built. You'll be able to see the backtesting results, how well they're doing, how well they're performing. And thanks to the elite backtesters, which is about 100 members of our group, we've come together to find the absolute best settings for a huge set of trading results. You'll also be able to see how they're performing on live markets. You'll be able to see all of the trades that they've taken since the very beginning and how they're performing in the last 7, 30 and 90 days. You can easily press the copy bot button here and you can copy all of the signals over to your trading exchange in one single click, or you can copy over to Tradingview so you can build your own bots with all of the settings that you'll find on our website. So come join us. The links are down in the description below. Right, let's get over to those backtesting results. Right, here we are back on Tradingview. Drum roll please. Boom! Right, this is the backtesting results that I found for that trading strategy provided by ChatGPT. As you can see, we have 504 closed trades, which is a good pool of trades. We have a 47.02% profit, which obviously with such a high risk reward can be easily increased to over 50%. We have a profit factor of 1.34, max drawdown of 20%. We have a net profit of 167%, which is absolutely brilliant. When you look at the buy to hold of being minus 61%, this is an absolutely fantastic achievement. If we look at the buy to hold, if you would have purchased Bitcoin here, you would be down 61% and you would have to go through all of that drawdown to get to minus 61%. So it looks absolutely fantastic. The equity curve looks absolutely wonderful and we're fighting the bear market that it's actually gone through. What a wonderful equity curve. I hope this continues on live market. So let's also test this on a couple of other exchanges. Currently we're on Bybit. Let's have a look at KuCoin. As you can see on KuCoin, the results look very similar. Let's go over to OKX. OKX looks very similar too, which is absolutely brilliant. Why am I doing this? Because it helps to see whether this would work on other exchanges as well. It's nice to look on Bybit, but it's also nice to check on other exchanges to see whether the strategy will work. Having a strategy that works on several exchanges is quite rare, and you may think that indicators adapt to all kinds of exchanges and all kinds of pairs. It's completely false, and something like this is quite rare to find. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed that one. I have one last thing to do, is to give 1 million bonk away. Don't forget, I give away 1 million bonk to a random comment every single video. Let's go. Okay, I'm going to be randomly choosing a comment from this video here. Let's go. We have 29 comments. I'm not going to butcher your name. Congratulations to you. You have just won 1 million bonk. Your favorite indicator is the PMAR, which is a very good indicator. I will backtest that one. Great suggestion. Thank you very much for that. So don't forget to comment your favorite indicator down below in the comments. Thanks guys for watching. I look forward to seeing you on Wednesday. I'll be adding this indicator to the David Tech strategies. You can find all of the David Tech strategies. The links are down in the description. Take care everybody. Keep safe. Keep coding, trade like a boss. And I'll see you tomorrow on the live stream. Take care everybody. Goodbye.
Come on, David, and once again he's gone to code a new strategy. He'll be back in just 5 minutes. RSI and MACD.